When Ollama and Qwen2 meet, great things happen. Qwen2, which is the correct pronunciation of Qwen2, and I keep forgetting, is one of the most popular model at the moment. The reason is that it has even beaten Llama 3 on various benchmarks and it continues to surprise a lot of people on various use cases. In this video, we will be installing Qwen2 with the help of Ollama. Ollama is one of the easiest and most charming tool when it comes to running large language models locally and privately on your own system with commodity hardware. So let's get started. Before I show you the installation and how you can integrate Qwen2 model with this Ollama, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at Master Compute who have sponsored the VM which I'm going to use plus the GPU. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I would highly recommend them. I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to put a discount coupon which will give you 50% discount on an already discounted GPU offering. So please do check them out. This is my Ubuntu VM where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and this is the GPU card of 48 GB of VRAM NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy Massed Compute. For this demo you don't need that much VRAM, even you can go with, I would say 8 GB VRAM should be more than enough. Let me clear the screen. Now in order to use Ollama with Qwen2, first we need to install Ollama on our local system. For that, allow me to take you back to Ollama's website and I will drop the link to it in video's description, which is ollama.com. Click on download and then whatever your operating system is, if you are using Windows, just download the exe file for Windows and then next. For Mac and Linux, the instructions are similar. For the Linux, just grab this command. I'm just clicking here to copy it. Let's go back to our terminal and then from here just paste it and press enter. And you see it is downloading the Ollama and it has installed it. Now once that's done, if you want to download or run Qwen2 model, all you need to do is to type this command. Let me clear the screen. Ollama run and then Qwen2 and whatever you want to download. I'm just going to go with 7 billion one. So press enter. It says could not connect to Ollama app. Is it running? So the reason being you need to start the Ollama service first. For that, first simply run this command sudo because it is using systemctl. That is done. And then once the service is enabled, you can simply do systemctl and start Ollama. It is going to start it and now you can run this command here. And you see that it is now downloading the layers of that model onto 7 billion and the size is just 4.4 gig. It is a quantized one, it's not a full model by the way. And then it should be done very soon. It has downloaded all the layers and now it is verifying the checksum of it. It's gonna take too long now. And that is almost done. There you go. So model is downloaded, model is running with Ollama. You can talk with it. You can ask it what is happiness. There you go. Look at the response of a quantized 7 billion version model. Amazing stuff. So this is it guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. This is how easy it is to run Qwen2 model with Ollama locally and privately, and then you can talk with as much as you like. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.